everyone, welcome to Jasmine's World. Today I will be showing you guys how to make tostadas de tinga, and I'll be teaching you guys how to do it the fast, the easy, and delicious way. So if you want to find out how to do it, stay tuned. Let's begin by cutting the onion into slices. Let's preheat the pan, and today I will be using my favorite, the extra virgin olive oil. And as you can see, I already have played some a little bit, so let it sit for about 5 minutes before we put our onion in there. Once the stove is hot, we'll be adding our onion. As our onions are sizzling, we will be cutting now the tomatoes, and we want to make sure to cut them into tiny cute slices as well. So make sure to cook your onion from 7 to 10 minutes, and you know when it's ready because it starts to become a little bit more yellowish and it's more on the softer side. So now that it's ready, we will be adding some tomatoes, the diced tomatoes, and I added 3. Mix thoroughly. And as this starts to cook again, we're going to be cutting now the garlic. And I will be seasoning my onions and tomatoes with Larry seasoned salt. You don't have to add too much, just enough. And as we're waiting for our tomatoes and our onions to soften, we will be cutting now the garlic. And we want to cut this into small little pieces. Let's add the garlic right after we put our tomatoes. And now you can wait 7 to 10 minutes. The garlic will be giving it that nice flavor. And as you can see, it's already starting to get juicy. Nice and juicy. So let's let it rest. It's tired, it needs to take a nap. Alright guys, so now we will be doing our most important part, which will be blending the chipotle peppers. So depending on how spicy you want it, that's how much peppers you're going to add. But I personally like it really spicy. And the more we put, the more flavor it gives. So just gonna add everything. And we're also going to just add a little teensy wince of water. If you have a little bit of chicken broth, that would be better. But I do not at the moment. No. Guys, so it's been about 20 minutes and I've been having it for most of the time here at 3, and as you can see now, all the onion and the tomatoes are nice and soft. So now that this is done, we will be adding our chipotle sauce right on it. And we're gonna let it sit and we're gonna let it boil. And once it gives it the first boil, then we're gonna add our chicken. No. Let's shred our chicken. So now we can put the chicken in there. Make sure to mix very nicely. Gotta cover every single chicken, every single size of chicken in there. So now that our tinga is ready, let's just let it sit for a little bit to make sure that the chicken is nice and warm. And meanwhile, let's cut up our toppings. Let's quickly cut up our lettuce. Okay guys, so our final step is to top off our tostado. So let's add the chicken, the tinga. Let's top it up with some lettuce. Or sour cream. Beautiful. And lastly, our cheese. There it is. Okay guys, so this is our final look, and as you guys can see, this looks so freaking delicious. So make sure to try out my recipe and comment to see if you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And guys, please let me know if you guys would like to see any other recipes. Just reach out to me, I will do them. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you for being on my channel. Always ready for you.